Hey everyone, welcome to Wise Interactive Learning, and in this third video we are going to see how to subtract numbers within seconds. Okay, so we'll go back to the first video where we added few numbers in a supermarket. So when you went to a supermarket, your bill was amounted to 125 rupees, but what happened was you didn't had any change, so you gave the shopkeeper 2000 rupees note. So how much should you get back? The answer is 1875. But that was done very quickly because the numbers were very simple. What if your bill was 531 rupees? So you would have to do 2000 minus 531 rupees. And now your answer should be 1469. But I don't have any calculators to do it, but I have done it very easily. So how do we do it? Let's see in the video. Okay, welcome back. So the problem was 2000 minus 531. Before we go on to that, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications every time I post a video. So we'll get back to the problem of 2000 minus 531. So 2000 minus 531. Okay. So I wanted to look at a number line and then how to add these numbers. So can we say this number as x? Okay. So on a number line, if there is 531 and here is somewhere 2000. So basically what we want to know is this value, isn't it? So instead of going this minus this, if you can figure out how much to add to this number to go from here to here, it will be very easy. I'll show you how. From going to 531 up until 600, and then you know that from 600 the distance till 2000 is 1400. So you go to the nearest number, which is a complete number, which you can easily go over here. So from 531 up until 600, you just have to figure out what is the number. So if you add 69 to it, so you'll go to 600. So 69 plus 1400 is 469, and you can do this in your heads. So now some people might say that this is easy for 2 or 3 digit numbers, and what we are going to do when we have big whole numbers like something as bank account or bank numbers. So we'll look into this. So let us say that in your bank account you have 6,98,211 rupees. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to do an RTGS of 2,47,986 rupees. Okay, and you're probably wondering what is the remaining amount over here. So I want you to look carefully on the board and I'll show you how the trick is done. So you have to watch carefully each number over here and you have to add a certain number to it. So what is the number when you add to 6 will get you 1 in the units place. So if I add 6 plus 5, you will get 11, right? So this 1 goes over here and you have to add this number to the previous number. So if I add 5 to it, you will get 11, and you have to add 1 to 8. So this number becomes 9. So what number can you add to 9 to have 1 in numerator? So which is 11, right? So you have to add 2. So you carry 1. So 10, you have to add 2 to it, so you get 12. So you have 8, so you have to add nothing, so 0. So in case of 4, you have to add 5, so you get to 9. And in case of 2, you have to add 4. So that's your answer. We have not borrowed any single number. What we have just done is we have added what we wanted to it. So how have we have done this? We have just rephrased it as the bank amount minus RTGS, and there you have your balance, right? Instead, what we have done is we have kept the bank account as it is, and then we have just added what the balance was to the RTGS. And this way you can do all the subtraction method by just adding in the reverse order, which is not specifically borrowing or taking integers from the other numbers and then complicating yourselves. Okay, so in the next example, we are going to subtract 4-digit number from another 4-digit number, and in the another example, we are going to have 6 or 7-digit number subtracting in the same order. So let's see. So we have number like 9123 minus 6876. Okay, so what should you add to 6 to get to 13, or let's just say 3? So you can add 7, so you have 1 carried over here. So the next number is 8, so you have to add 4, so 1 carried. So this is 9, so you have to add 2 to it to get to 11, so 1 is carried. So this becomes 7. So to go to 9, you have to just add 2. So that's your answer. So we'll take another number, which can be 9, 4, 6, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 4 minus 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay. Now look how I do it. So you have to add 9 carried 1. So this is 7, so you have to add 4. So this is 1. So this is 8, so you have to add 3 to it. So carried 1. So this is 9, so you have to add 2 to it. So carried 1. So you have to add, so this number is 3, so you don't have to add anything, so that's 0. This is 3, so you have to add 9 to it to get to 12. So this is 5 and this is 6, so you have to add only 1. This is 7, then you have to go to 4, so you have to add 7, so you can go to 14, and then 1 is carried, so that's 1. So that's your whole answer. So this is the easiest way where you can subtract numbers by twisting it and making it a problem of addition of numbers. So in the next few videos, I am going to cover a few more fundamentals where I can show you the tips and tricks to do different kind of combinations of equations and examples, so that we go on to a certain stage where we can teach you the 11th or 12th standard portion in such a way that you are going to use it in your daily lives.